Today I want to share with you one of my favorite summer recipes, and it is garden dumped tomato soup. So we're going to take a little bit of everything out of the garden, from tomatoes of any kind. It can be cherry tomatoes, it can be slicers. Zucchini is the key ingredient here because it's the zucchini that's going to give it creaminess, and we're looking for about equal parts zucchini to tomatoes. Of course, you want to get some garlic, onions, basil, a little bit of oil in the pan, get that all nice and hot, then you can start trimming up your veggies, get off any of the dirty spots. It's amazing how creamy the zucchini makes it, and it also lowers the acidity, which is a big problem for some people with tomato soup. But by making equal parts zucchini and tomatoes, you really cut the acidity. You get to use up a ton of zucchini, and it's a great way to get people who don't like zucchini to eat zucchini. It really doesn't do anything dramatic to the flavor, except for just give it a nice sweet mildness to it. So here we are, just combining all the ingredients in the pot, getting it all stir fried up, making it cook down till it's nice and liquidy. I can't really tell you exactly how much time it takes. It's just until it looks like it's good and cooked. Here we're gonna add some organic, better than bouillon vegetable base to just get it seasoned up. That's to taste. It's really hard to tell, so you can always add more in later. Fill it into our Vitamix or other powerful blender. It is important that you get a good powerful blender, but some people really like their tomato soups a little bit on the chunkier textured side, so don't be obsessed on that. You got a blender, let's use it. So adding in my basil and garlic there, because I don't like them to overcook. A little extra creaminess here with some vegan sour cream or regular sour cream if you aren't non-dairy. Getting it back in the pot so that it can cook down a bit more and get some of those air bubbles out. Finally seasoning it with some black pepper. And I find a last minute garnish of some vegan cheese or non-vegan cheese if you eat dairy is the final topper. A little bit of crispy jalapenos. Great way to get veggies into your family and enjoy the fruits of your harvest in the summer.